Welcome to the next clip, guys. It's your host, the Night Wrencher. A couple days ago, this gentleman by the name of Jack, I believe he works for this company called Maxpeedingrods, reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to showcase one of their products and for me to give it away on the channel. I said, yeah, sure, why not? Just send me whatever, and they ended up sending me this mystery box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. As far as I know, this company by the name of Maxpeedingrods, it's a company that specializes in overseas car parts and tools, probably comparable to things like Harbor Freight or something of that nature. And this is what they ended up sending me. According to the tracking information, this is a bearing puller set. So let's go ahead and open this up. Typical red hard shell case. And there is their company. So this is company service card. It's a nice little card right here with more information. And it's basically a little, oh look, it's a little envelope. It's a thank you card. Yes, thank you card with service email. Little brochure. So as you guys can see, they sell things like connecting rods, turbochargers, billet crank, coilovers. When I was researching this company, I realized that they have been in touch with another guy on YouTube. I believe the channel name is called Driving for Answers, and he does seem to showcase a lot of their products. Recently, I saw they were showcasing the connecting rods for this company, so I figured, well, might as well stick my neck out there too and see what's going on. So basically, you've got a slide hammer. You've got this little thing that locks the slide hammer in place and lets you twist. Then you've got each of these have a particular size. How these work is you've got an orifice in the middle. You stick this in there. You tighten this back part down. And as you tighten it down, this little chamfered piece right here, it opens up, spreads out to the point where it can't spread out anymore. And then you attach the slide hammer to the back side. And then using the slide hammer, you can go ahead and take it all apart. So they gave me a complete set. I actually looked up a very similar tool at Harbor Freight when I was there earlier today, and a kit like this goes for like $70 or $80 after tax. But the problem with the Harbor Freight one is that it actually only comes with 4 of these. I don't know which 4 in particular, but this actually comes with 8. So from a value perspective, I think this one is a little bit better value. I'm not sure how strong the slide hammer is, but I'm going to let one of you guys decide, because I'm going to go ahead and give this out to one of you guys. The only thing you need to do to win this is be a subscriber on my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then write a message on this video telling me what you would use this for. And then at the end of the month, which is pretty soon, I'm going to go ahead and pick a winner, and then I'm going to ship this out to them free of charge. So good luck, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Night Wrencher out.